I know sing the way I am. I know sing the way I am. I've been engaging in offering. If I pay my tithe every Sunday, even evangelism, I'm there. But my business, nothing is working out. I don't know if I'll just end up my life like
my brother. Look at you. You've not even talked of my own. Me that have been paying tithe, I go to church every day, I go to every fasting and prayer. And my mate not married. Look, don't look at me. Am I not fit to get married? I beg. Please. Who? Are you asking me what to do? I don't know.
My sister, why are you complaining?
My sister, I beg.
Why are you complaining? Talk to me. I'm waiting for you. Talk to me.
You mean if I tell you what is the problem, you will solve it? If no, for the kind of person when you be for this church, I wouldn't have told you this. Really? I'll be so free and I'm in this commission. I pay my tithe. Nothing is working out. I don't know what to do. In fact, my sister here also told me her own.
My sister Mary. I mean, look at me, shake me out now. Am I not beautiful enough? Am I not supposed to have get married?
It's okay, stop talking. I will take you to my prophet. He will solve your problem for you.
A prophet? Is there anything at all?
No, prophet.
So you mean after church service and everything, there's still a prophet somewhere?
Yes. Let me tell you something. Are you not seeing all this member? Sickness and sickness. Let me tell you, they do go. Hey, don't follow me down. Your problem will be solved.
Hold on. So you mean if we go to this prophet, we will get our solution?
Let's go.
And we get married.
Yes.
Then what are we waiting for?
Let's go
now. Let's go. It will be so. Hey, I'm good. Hey.
It's me, my Lord.
What is going on?
I know you always make a prom. Are you surprised? She's one of my agents. I have so many of them in the church. And the nooks and crannies of the city. So depopulate the kingdom of the Most High and populate my kingdom. Get them!
Sister Mary!
Enough. Let them. I'm going to deal with them. I need to populate my kingdom. Those who are not giving their tithes in the church, I need to get them. What do you want? Here to set the captives free and to take away the affliction which you placed on them. You know that's impossible. For these souls they have all sinned and come short of your glory. Have you forgotten it is written that he that sinneth must die, and he that breaketh the edge, the serpent to crush? They are my lawful captive. They have all sinned, and they are worthy of my wrath. Interesting. So what are your claims? You want to know? Just look at this one very white. With all that you have done for him, he is still not grateful. He complains here and there. He's demanding for more, not saying that which you have done for him. This is my son. Are you talking about our sister? That fair one there. She came into the city 3 years ago and started prostituting, moving from one man to another, afflicting curses, diseases on men, sending multitudes to the untimely grave. And now she's in the church, in the challenger squad, in disguise of Christianity. You know that's impossible. That's not all. Look at that lady there. She is a thief, a fraudster. And remember, cross is in the house of the thief. So they are all my lawful captors. I can't let them go to you. Never. Now do their part. They be as red as scarlet. But remember, even before you afflicted them, they returned back to me. And it is written, whoever is in me is a new creature. Old things are passed away. Behold, all things have become new.
Just listen to yourself, only Son of the Most High God.
He that is in me is a new creation. All things are passed away. All things have become new.
Just listen to yourself. What is the message you are passing to this congregation? People seated here. Are you encouraging them to continue in sin that your grace will abound?
The Lord Satan, tempt not the Lord your God, for I would have mercy upon those I would have mercy upon. My mercy is from everlasting to everlasting unto those that fear me.
Just listen to yourself, Son of the Most High God. Your mercy, you have mercy on those you have mercy on. Are you not trying to say those that died years ago, you never saw them? You must be a pastor, God. You must be a pastor, Son of the Most High. I will let them to you. Never, never, I say.
Just maybe you have forgotten. Remember this? I went into Hades. I fought with you, principalities and powers, and made public show of you, Satan, and your cohorts. So therefore you have no hold over these ones, because they are no longer yours.
My Lord, what is that?
My yes. Also Father, please, remember my blood, my precious blood, which I shed on the cross of Calvary. I made myself a living sacrifice just to set these ones free. Lord, please grant me this permission to set them free. Please.
My son, I grant you the permission and authority to set the captives free and set the bounds loose.
No! That's impossible! They are sinners! They don't deserve that! No! That must be partiality!
No, Satan!
No!
By the power vested in me!
No!
And with my blood which I shed on the cross of Calvary! Get out! Let my people go!
My Lord! What the?
For I am worthy of my name, Jesus! Every knee will bow!
What the?
That I am Lord of all! I am public show of principalities and powers! And that is why you now move out! I command you out now! I make public show of principalities and powers by the mention of my name, Jesus! Every knee must bow, and every tongue confess that I am Lord of all. Now go back and set my people free. Let the captives be loose. Let the bound be set free. Let the poor become rich. For I am Lord of all, and I have mercy upon those who I have mercy upon. Now we are all here, seated, watching me. You may not have the same opportunity like these ones. Why not return to me now while there's time? Return to me now. Return to me. Return to me.